Hi guys, a Merry Christmas. I hope you all are doing good. I just wanted to share a video where I just wanted to tell how easy it is to make money with meme coins. Even over the $50, you can make $1,000 to $2,000 really quick. So I just wanted to share you this coin, Boomer Unicorn. Yesterday I bought it for $50 and it had gone till to $1,000, where I had swapped a few profits and I had bought other tokens. As you can see, these tokens I've bought and kept. So if these tokens go to $100, I can sell them. So I'll just show you the filters that you need to use to get these coins very early when they launch. So you in the Phantom app, go to this corner, go to trending tokens, click on this, go to trending Solana and 1 hour chart, and also filter this by market cap, and go to the this one which is has low, from low to high. So you will see few coins here. So how do you check on which coin to invest? So what you need to do is go on the click on the coin. Okay, then you need to see the holders. If the holder is like 20% or 30%, you can go directly and invest. I won't be investing in this coin because it's 74%. So if the top 10 holders dump the coin, we lose all our money. So like that, you just need to see that coins. So let me check this one. I do hold this coin. I'll just show you. It's 40%. However, I bought this coin a few weeks back for very less market cap, and I thought this coin was dead. Okay, but today when I saw it, it was blowing up, and it's so easy and so the it's just a meme. See, chill fart. See, just for the name, a funny thing, and it started blowing up. So, and you need to do a exit strategy as well, where when it reaches $1 million market cap, you need to exit or you can hold it. But the thing is, few coins, when it reach 1 million and it dumps and it never comes up. But some coins go to billions as well. So you need to be very careful. It's better you take small profits, and every day there'll be a new coins launching, so you can start making money. So guys, that's all I had for this video. So if you liked it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.